Hello everyone, this is Anshu Maila here. I am pursuing BAJMC at JIMS Greater Noida. So today I would be sharing you my experience at college and how it reflected on my life. The only joy in the world is to begin. It is good to be alive because living is beginning. Always, every moment. When this sensation is lacking, as when one is in prison, or ill or stupid, or when living has become a habit, one might as well be dead. I still do remember walking into that building where I was going to live for the next few years, feeling really old. I I'm a college fresher. I thought to myself I did not know what to expect out of my fresher year. They say that college is a time of self discovery, full of both trials and prosperity, and lasting memories and friends. Little did I know my first year of college would bring about so many experiences, both positive and negative as well, that would forever change me. The first couple of weeks were a complete party. All freshers around me were completely enthralled by the newfound freedom that college came with. Freedom does not come without a struggle, and we as freshers had to struggle with high school parents and even petty drama for the freedom we obtained the minute we walked onto the college campus. Some people went a little too wild with the newfound freedom, regretting many of the things they did with the freedom. Others proceeded with caution, sometimes a little too much. I like to think that I found a healthy medium between the two. From my experience, I have learned a lot both academically and outside of the classroom. I learned much about writing and rhetoric, but more importantly, I learned two essential things. Nothing comes easy, and learning the material is far more important than the grades I received. The classroom is not the only place where learning takes place. I have learned so much from the relationships I have made. I have made incredible bonds with the amazing people I met this year from each and every person. I have learned a different thing, whether it is something from their religion or culture or the way in which they view and live their life. I feel that chance has brought me here to learn from them, and I must take it for what it is. Being incredibly lucky to have such pleasure to broaden myself and my personal views and knowledge. The experiences and memories are priceless. There is nothing I could ask for in exchange for the things I have both learned and been through here at JIMS Greater Noida. And most importantly, the only thing I would share is live the life you have been given. Thank you.